Insert the clips under the edge of the chassis and lower the bottom cover. Tighten the 7 captive screws. Place the battery into position on the chassis using the screw holes for alignment. Install 2 retaining screws. Connect the battery to the system board. Insert the memory module into the slot using the notch for alignment. Press down to lock it into place. Insert the solid-state drive into the slot using the notch for alignment. Install a single retaining screw. Place the battery into position on the system board, securing it with the adhesive backing. Connect the battery to the system board. Place the wireless LAN card into the slot using the notch for alignment. Install the single retaining screw. Connect the black antenna cable to the auxiliary terminal. Connect the gray antenna cable to the main terminal. Place the keyboard on the system upside down. Connect the keyboard cable to the system board. Flip the keyboard over and insert the top edge under the keyboard bezel. Lower the bottom edge and press down. Flip the system over and install 2 screws. Align the keyboard bezel with the system and snap the edges together. Connect the card reader cable to the system board. Connect the logo LED cable to the system board. Connect the TrackPad cable to the system board. Install 3 screws into the keyboard bezel. Install 6 screws into the bottom of the system. Install the 4 corner screws. Replace the 2 rubber screw covers. Place the LCD assembly into position on the system. Install 3 screws into each hinge. Push the antenna cable through the chassis and connect the camera cable to the system board. Push the antenna and LCD cables through the chassis. Flip the system over and install the antenna cables into the cable guides. Connect the LCD cable to the system board. Align the ports with the holes in the chassis and lower the system board into position. Tighten the captive screw in the heatsink. Install a single retaining screw. Place the brackets into position and install 2 screws. Connect the DCInCable to the system board. Connect the LCD cable to the system board. Align the DCInCable and press it down into position on the chassis. Place the heatsink into position on the system board using the screw holes for alignment. Using a cross pattern, tighten the 4 captive screws. Connect the fan cable to the system board. Insert the card reader cable into the slot on the keyboard bezel. Use the screw holes to align the card reader. Install 2 screws. Place the speaker onto the posts of the keyboard bezel. Install the cable into the cable guides. Place the other speaker onto the posts and install the other cable into the cable guide. Insert the cable into the slot and position the trackpad on the keyboard bezel using the screw holes for alignment. Apply the metallic tape and install 2 screws. Place the bracket into position and install 4 screws. And apply the metallic tape. For a touchscreen display, place the panel in position upside down and connect the LCD and touch control cables. Flip the panel over and snap the clips together around the edges of the LCD assembly. Install 2 screws and replace the screw covers. For a non-touch display, place the LCD panel into position upside down and connect the LCD cable. Flip the panel over and set it into place on the top cover using the screw holes for alignment. Install 4 screws. Place the LCD bezel into position and snap the clips together around the edges. Install 2 screws and replace the screw covers. Place the hinge on the top cover using the screw holes for alignment. Install 3 retaining screws. Repeat for the other hinge. Secure the antenna into position on the top cover using the metal tape and adhesive backing. Install the cable into the cable guide. Repeat for the other antenna. Place the camera into position on the top cover and secure it with the adhesive backing. Connect the camera cable to the camera card. Secure the sensor board into place on the top cover using the adhesive backing. Connect the cable to the sensor board. Begin installing the cable into the cable guides. Secure the logo LED to the top cover and continue installing the cable into the cable guides. Connect the cable to the sensor board. Connect the camera cable to the camera card.